Adopt, don't shop. Madalas nating naririnig to. Pero real talk, adoption versus buying is not a black and white issue. And kailangan natin pag-usapan to. Hi guys, Doc Ara here. Aminin natin, sa Pilipinas, sobrang daming stray animals. Overcrowded ang mga rescue centers, underfunded, and overwhelmed. Kaya, gets kung bakit may pressure to adopt. Kasi through adoption, you can save one life. Pero kung bibili ka naman ng pet, boom, agad mababash ka online. Parang automatic na masama agad yung person na yon. But here's the thing. Let me give you a certain perspective. May mga tao na bumibili ng pets not for vanity, but for necessity. Service dogs for their mental health and specific breeds, specific for their health needs. And yes, may iba talaga na may certain preference. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na irresponsible sila. The issue is not buying per se, but yung irresponsible breeding. Yung mga puppy mills, yung mga breeders na walang pakialam sa welfare ng hayop. Basta lang breed ng breed for the sake of money itself. Hanggang sa malaspag na yung mismong animal. Hindi check yung compatibility ng certain breeds. And yes, it can contribute rin to the stray problem. Pagdami rin ng mga hayop or overpopulation. And magpakatotoo na rin tayo, adoption is not easy rin. Minsan under-resourced ang mga rescues. And hindi maiwasan, may mga adopters rin na nagre-return ng pets kasi hindi nila kaya yung responsibility. Here's the thing. Instead of pointing fingers, let's push for this. Responsible ownership, ethical breeding, stronger support for local rescues, and education for pet care and long-term commitment. Sa totoo lang, kailangan natin ng systems, compassion, and also accountability. Whether you adopt or buy, ask yourself if you are ready. Kasi syempre buhay yan at hindi laruan. Kayo mga fur parents, what do you think of this? Comment it down below. And don't forget to follow me and don't forget to consult your veterinarian.